future medicos. I want you all to log into NTA website and download your admit card again and check the details in your admit card. You might ask me, why should I download the admit card again? Today we started receiving some messages from some of the candidates. This is one of the message they have shared with me. Dear candidate, NEET UG 2020 is scheduled for 13 September 2020 during 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Candidates are once again advised to download their latest admit card available on NEET UG 2020 website and report as per the details given in latest admit card. NTA team. So this message started going out to candidates from NTA. Now we wanted to check this and I went to the NTA website and there is a public notice on the NTA website. So this is the public notice I downloaded from NTA website. So this is dated 10th September 2020 and the subject change of examination center for NEET UG 2020. So for some candidates, there is a change in the exam center. So let us look at the public notice, what exactly it says. NTA hereby informs that the exam centers of NEET UG 2020 examination for some of the candidates have been changed due to implementation of COVID-19 measures as per details annexed. So our understanding is because of certain containment zones, NTA has been forced to change some of the exam centers. It seems that's the reason, but we are not sure. However, there is no change in the cities of the center. So you are not affected much, but within the city, your center has been changed. Maybe from one school to another school, maybe your center has been changed. The concerned candidates have already been informed by NTA through SMS and email. So most likely if your center has been changed, you might have received a SMS or email. But even if you have not received the SMS or email, I would like you to log into the website and check and download the admit card again. If you have not printed yet, it's well and good. You can print the latest admit card. If you have printed already, just make sure that all the details in the new admit card and the old admit card are exactly the same. Particularly your exam center, you have to check and ensure that it is the exam center, same exam center. So they are also being informed telephonically. Such candidates are advised to download their latest admit card available on NEET website and report as per the details given in the latest admit card at the new exam center. My advice, everyone should check their admit card. Candidates are also advised to acquaint themselves with the location of the new exam center allotted now. Okay, so that's fine. So as you come down, they have given the list of centers that has been changed or the centers that has been affected. So basically you can see Assam. There are many centers in Assam. There are centers in Gujarat. There are centers in Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. So many of the states have been affected. Okay, even though some of the states have not been affected, it seems like many states have been affected. But even if your state or if your center is not in this list, I would still recommend you to go on, download the admit card again, check the details. So probably it's a good exercise for you to do, and also check the exam center very closely. Don't take it very lightly. Sometimes the school names might sound similarly, but the school might be different. So I want you to look at the name of the school, look at the exam center address and make sure that you are familiar with the location. So this is very, very important. We have seen earlier years, the candidates have been misled to some wrong centers. They thought that this is the school, but actually their center is some other school. Sometimes the school names might sound very, very similar. The address is completely different. So please take note of this. My best wishes to you.